In this presentation, we'll see two ways to use loops in Python to navigate lists. The examples will be developed using PyCharm, the programming development environment recommended for this course. Use the for-in loop structure to navigate a list from beginning to end using every value on the list. While this example uses a Python list, it can also be used to navigate other data collections in Python, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. The for-in range loop structure uses the Python function range to generate a sequence of integers. By default, the range starts from 0 and ends at 1 less than the integer value passed through the range function. Optionally, the range function can start at any integer, skip integers, or even generate integers in reverse order. It is recommended to use the range function only if these features are required or if the loop does not involve processing a list or other data collection. As an example, use for in range if you need to execute a loop a certain number of times without involving a list. Feel free to watch the video in this presentation or view it on YouTube with the link provided. We have seen two ways to loop through a block of code using the for-in keywords and using the for-in range n. As with all blocks in Python, the first line ends with a colon and the block is indented under the first line using the tab key. The ability to loop through a block of code is one of the powerful features in any programming language. Python supports several ways to do this in a very elegant and readable style. Another powerful feature is the ability to nest looping and selection structures within each other. The rules remain the same. The first line of the structure must end in a colon, and the tab key should be used to indent each block in its proper structure. Note that Python also supports conditional loops using the keyword while. This will be covered in a separate presentation.